Right, so we just had a car trader, drop this Qashqai down to me. It says the start-stop message is on the dash, and if I take a quick look, so let's have a quick look. Right, so it's a Nissan Qashqai with a Renault 1.5 DCI by the looks of it. Okay, so what have we got in here? Oh, I can't see from the sun. Right, what have we got here? So 4 engine, we've got 1 in the M&A and the BCM, couple in laser, sonar, oh, sounds quite a few there, but as you can see in here, these are pass related faults. We've got 1 there current, which is for restart bypass, relay. All these are passed, so no problems there. So this is the one we're going to be concentrating on. Okay, so normally when we see this, it can be the main battery getting low on voltage, but I have seen it as well if the car detects on restart, especially with the start stop, a drop voltage of below 8 volts, then it will throw this fault code on. So I think first thing we'll do is we'll test the battery. So to continue the video on, we have got the battery tester connected up. So we're going to put in that it's a 720 cca battery. Power is too low, so I'm already suspecting that we've got an issue with the battery here straight away. Yeah, so it's currently saying the health is at 42% and 0 charge. So I think what we'll do, we'll charge it up and then we'll see where we are with it. Alright, that's the Qashqai. So what we've ended up doing, let me flip this. So genuine battery, been on there, you know, like I say, probably 9 years. Fitted a new one. Let's see what we got. Oh, getting old. No codes. Right, perfect. Let's see what we got. Awesome. Start, stop, on, off, working.